copy all these beams here and put it there.
I thought we answered that for you.
And put it here. Why I don't copy all these beams here and just put it there?
Because that's from the south.
Yeah, they are gonna be different. For example, this beam over here, W460 by 52, which would be here. If I go here, it's not that what I see a 410 by 46. So I cannot copy that beam. Now what I would do after I did my lines over here, I would do my joists. How do I do my joists? I would do XL here. So these are the locations of my joists, right? Here. And my joist should be placed on the intersection of these lines here. Now which joist am I using here, guys?
410 by
Which joist am I using? 550, right? So when I go here, which one of these two joists I'm gonna use?
the right one.
This one, right? So I'm gonna copy this. I wanna grab the center here, the insertion point. So I need to turn on my insertion point here. Where is it? Insertion.
Underneath extension.
There you go. Thank you. So I can see the insertion point. I saw it sometime. There. Okay, let me turn off endpoint. So I'm copying from my insertion point, and I'm pasting this on the intersection with the ground level, which is this, not the ground level, the level of the thing. So here I have one, here I have another one, here I have another one, and here I have another one. What, am I missing one?
Aren't you missing B?
Oh, I should not put it here. It's just here, here, and here. This one doesn't exist, sorry guys. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 joists, right? Now what is the beam that I need to draw here, guys? 410 by 46, right? Now these beams here, they start always in the same location, always from this reference over here, right? From the ground floor. So we always have this little gap over here of 64. So now I need to draw that beam, which is 410 by 46. So I'm gonna go here, 410 by 46, this beam over here. I'm gonna copy this to help me out. I'm gonna put it here. Are you okay? Put this here. And then I'm gonna offset this line over here by 64, so I know exactly where I should, oops, not this one. Offset this one by 64. And again, you don't have to offset, it's just a matter of you getting the right location. And now I'm gonna say XL, I want a beam that has this size over here, 410 by 46. Okay? Wait, not XL here. Then I'm gonna copy these lines over here, and I'm gonna paste it exactly here. And then I have my beam ready there. So I can delete this, can delete this. Now my beam should only go into the beginning of my column. So I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna do this, trim, and I'm gonna be trimming until there, trimming there, and then I can delete the 64 line that I, oops, the 64 line that I drew, which is the one in the back. So draw order, this line over here, yeah, that's good. So now I have this. Now the joists here, you wouldn't see them inside of the beam, okay? We need to delete those. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna delete this. I have my beam here. What is the layer my beam should be on?
Structure.
Beam
Section.
Section, good job. And then if these are blocks, you cannot trim them, but if you explode them, then you can say trim out of these two lines. You want to trim this, you want to trim this, you want to trim this, and you want to trim that. So you see the beginning of the joist and the end of the joist. Does that make sense? Now I chose wrong here. You would choose actually this line here. You don't want it to be inside of the beam. Okay? And you would have this joist there that would represent the joists that are coming in the other way. Is that clear or no? Now, what layer should my joist be? What layer should I place my joists? Same as this one over here,
Section.
right? So I can do this, I can do this, I can do this, I can do this, and I've done with this part. Now I go to this one over here. What is the beam that I'm using? Copy the beam, put it here. Where are the joists? Put it there, and you're good.
64.
My friend, you're sleeping. Are you okay? You okay?
64.
Yeah, you're good. Yeah. So pretty much after this, you can be happy with all the drawings that needs to be done. What information do we put here in terms of text and everything? We just pretty much name the beams and we name the columns, okay? So if you look here, there is one name here at the ground for the column, and each beam we put the name in there, pretty much. Okay. We're gonna talk about this next week. I'm gonna teach you what it is. We also have to bring that into here. It's these braces here, this is the cell. This is pretty much just a structure to help this not to
Flex.
yeah, fluctuate. So we're gonna look into it next week, and but yeah, pretty much next week when we're ready is this without this. So you're not doing this, don't worry about that. But you're gonna have all the columns and all the joists placed into it. It's not hard, guys. It's just a matter of time that you're gonna be spending. I promise. Okay. This is the next week. This portion. Yeah. The next week, what we're gonna do next week, we finish these connections over here, okay? And then we are done with assignment 1. So then we make a big summation, you print it, you bring it to me, and I'm gonna talk about it next week, so you don't have to. Huh? Yeah, it's for free, don't worry. And then in here, on the next assignment, you're gonna start with the same drawing. So you finish this one, you're gonna submit, right? In the same class that you submit this one, you're gonna open the drawing again, save it as assignment 2, and we're gonna be doing the foundation plan. So, wait on. I don't have it here, but the foundation plan would be this drawing over here. We're gonna be doing it for assignment 2. So assignment 2, what is assignment 2? Foundation plan, and all the foundations here on the bottom, and that's it. So it's way easier than assignment 1, because you already have the trick of how to do it. And then we do a test, okay? About this. Any questions so far?
So the submission for next week is just north elevation drawing.
North elevation, table, Excel spreadsheet, and the line weight. Guys, so let's review here. Second submission, I want Excel table. I want the CAD table. I want the line weights. And I want the north elevation. In terms of instruction, if you go on the instructions, we are talking until page we're talking about until this, drawing elevation view. Don't worry about drawing quantity detail view, this is next week. Okay? Guys, I tried making the simplest, but if you have questions, just ask me, okay? I know it's a little bit complicated, and once you start doing it, you're gonna find it more difficult. Don't worry. So the second, so this is the last floor. The second floor from that is the.
So when you do the line weights, you just do it
I
for.
don't know how to do a line, check how we can do line weight.
You just went to the match properties thing, right? The tab beside it.
What I did was I actually selected each one.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. So
And then
you went to this one. Then changed
Yeah,
it.
yeah,
You do it for both of them, right?
yeah.
Points.
This is actually really hard. This joist thing is actually. I'm sure I'll understand once I get down to like here, but this is so hard to understand. So,
But I just don't get. Have you? Okay, I'm at the point right here. I did this. What did you do? What did you do? Did you do the extensions here?
I extended the floors. So there's 3 floors. So there's this gray line, green line, and then this purple line. You see that? Yeah, those 3. You have to extend that all the way to the other drawing. Yeah.
How do I extend it?
No, not XL. Not XL. So you go to the other drawing that you have. This one. XL this. No, this one. So you XL the F. Up to the top. And then you extend it from there to right here. To the floors, those 3 lines. You want to extend that all the way over to this red line right here. No, it's not this one. The first one. Yeah, this one.
This one, right?
Yeah, yeah. So those 3 lines. You have to extend it all the way over there. But when you extend line, after you type in the extend command, click that red line so that it knows when to extend to. Don't. You selected the 3 lines first. So type extend. Extend, not extend. And then you go over to your first floor drawing. Click the red line so that it knows I need to extend it to there. Press enter. And then now you need to select those 3 lines.
Where do you?
Yeah. And then it should extend it over. Now you want to do the same thing with the
Do
second.
you want to see it? Do you want to see it?
Because I missed that class, I can share with the other
Is that
What?
it?
No, I don't share my fucking. I'm not giving you my YouTube channel.
And the second floor, bro. You're not listening.
No, I know. Now, this is the. No, this is the third.
Yeah, but there's also flooring on this line.
Yeah, which I'm gonna do right now. So extend.
Why don't you do the same command as before? Then extend it into the other. Make the 1, 2, 3. What? No. After you type extend, exit out, type extend, and then you want to click only the red line.
Yeah, which I know.
Yeah, press enter now, and then you select those 3.
Yeah, but I can't really like send it to you because the file's too
1,
big.
2,
Do you transfer it into a
You didn't do it? Yo, I didn't do it.
It should have extended.
Whenever I try
maybe
besides my computer,
now
it's
do it.
kind of glitchy though. So
Yeah.
yeah, I don't really know what to tell you. Sorry.
And then go, let's check out. I don't know why. It's like object extend or shift. Just click it. Just click it as extend, you zoom out. I don't know why it's not extending. Just big red line. As to what you want to extend. Oh, because you're using this side of the thing. So go on that side of the picture. Yeah. Go on this side. Yeah. Because you were trying to extend this side of the line over on this side, but it doesn't need anything. Now, yeah, now you do.
So wait, so then can I do it again? Because I already have the red thing frozen. I don't even have to go back.
Yeah, but you don't need the last line. There's no floors in the last line.
So it's just the 2. One,
It's
2.
just, yeah, it's just those 2 lines. And then you gotta clip it, so
No, it's just I think it's separate.
Do you know how to do it?
Carl's teaching.
Do you know how to do it?
Take OSWJ. I vaguely understand.
Should I record you doing it? What?
What are the lines?
Alright, I'll show you to do that. I'm gonna record you doing it.
I don't think you should.
No?
I'm gonna be back and forth on this.
Alright, no, I'll show you.